So an rud is táchtaí an seo ná bhfuil sé ag labhairt féin am a cha daoine eile sa Ghaeltacht. So tá sé caint féin na cláistí saoraigh, so sure rud a bhain atá uamh na cláistí saoraigh sin the summer camps, summer colleges a bhí ann. Agus bhí sé caint an seo for either 300 carricades glóra, so between 300 and 400 these scholars, students came, agus but gearchali of a so the main gender was female, so he's very happy. So on Rotha Ann there's Kaylee Biog and Kaylee Moore, Olra Gramansane, Kaylaha Mora, August Kaylaha Bioga. So the first few pages, I think you know, Kaylee Biog, Kaylee Moore. It has here, you don't need the days, but there was a Kaylee Moore Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and all the other days there was a Kaylee Biog. Mention how I tested the people of the place could go to these Kaylaha Bioga, the Biog ones, Serenashka, so free, they could get in, but they had to pay. So there's, I think the price here is 2 shillings. Vir go shilling iach erna Kaylaha Mora. So everyone else in the town had to pay, or in the villages had to pay 2 shillings to get into these Kaylaha. But your man, because he was a Kjoltor, he got in Serenashka. So in Shud's Dermish vi Bart an, so Bart is a deal, and Bart a vi an no toshin sha for she truck a punt, so it's our punt thing, for she truck a punt done sour fad. So if he played all summer he'll get truck punt and he'd get Kiadastak Serenashka, so that's free in, literally permission in free de na Kaylaha Mora. And you have to say Viach sé ag Shannon or Viach sé ag Shaint ag the Kaylaha Bioga. So the deal was he was basically hired as a Kjoltor. Alright, so see Kator Shil. Fi me lever Marchiel and Katie, so he's trying out the first night in it Lamahar, Biog Vimar, Gubber and Ver, Lemehel Biog Fair, Fiamura, near Maron Sima, Gums Nubber, he deaf for Val arm, so he was really in a rush home. He's working with his dad here on the farm, but he just wanted to go home. Cormahar Keshterm, Corma Yefergs, dear Sherm Fanacht, Gadigum Galaga, Dinish made though, Grev make Dolig Shenema Hallan Murray. So his dad was like, hang on, having a smoke, and he said, I've got to go, I'm playing in the hall. So Murriach, one of the little towns in Corcovina, and he's playing there. Shat and Basher session, Kjolux, Rinkugs, Mna, Oxastoka, Gvillereg, Tarrant the Backlash. So the dad here, while he's having a smoke, is saying, oh, music and dancing and women, and I suppose you're smoking as well. Hook my fragra drove sock, so he gave a rude answer. Maar vi fia ben a vele geganam. So he said, your man was smoking his pipe. Dimig me gatapa vala. Vin me diem gabasta, nig me fein gamal hishkag